All right, welcome back. Part 2 of the elbow pipe. Since we last saw each other, I put a child down for a nap. It was very exciting. He was not a fan. But we got to do a sweep now, and then I got to show you section view on the drawing sheet. And then we're done. This one should be quick. Maybe. So you should notice, or back at it here, right? The actual, where's my pointer? The actual pipe here goes in a consistent sweep here, it's called, from there to there. And we actually already drew the path. We already drew this line here so that the drawing or Onshape knows where to sweep, the shape that's going to sweep. All right, so I'm back here. I just clicked isometric. We have our two plates. They're still separate parts. They'll become one part in a second. And we're going to sweep between them. I think I made a mistake, though. I know it's unheard of. Me making a mistake. Never. But I think we got to change this line to an actual line, not a construction line, for it to be a sweep path. Sweep path has to be an actual line, not construction. So I'm going to click, 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 and then click, and now it's an actual line. All right, that's more better. I think now we can begin sweeping. So this button up here is sweep, right? Revolve, sweep, and loft. Loft would be if it's not going to the same shape at the other end and it's in like a straight line. Sweep is along a path. So we're sweeping. We're going to click add. We're going to face a sketch region that's going to sweep. So we actually want that circle on the inside. We don't want the full thing. So I'm going to click here and it's going to be just that circle, right? Sweep path, I'm clicking here. I'm just going to go over here and click sketch 2 so I don't have to do it twice. And look at that. Merge scope, I'm just going to click merge with all. And that should change this look down here to just one part. And look at that. We followed along that line. We just have the circle inside there. So I'm going to click check. And you'll notice we have a beautiful, what is this called? Elbow, pipe elbow. All right, nice and easy. Pretty much done. We got a couple things left, right? We need to chamfer the inside of the pipe, right? That's this here, this chamfer. And we need to fillet the inside underneath the flanges here, which looks like it's a radius of 10. And then we are done with the T, and we can put on a drawing sheet with the section views. All right, so let's start, I guess, with the chamfer, because why not? Chamfer. Entities chamfer, I'm going to click this edge, and it's asking me the distance or the size. And if you look back in the drawing sheet, it says C10. That's our chamfer distance. I'm going to type in 10. Check mark. And it chamfered that for us. There you go. Chamfers are two separate. You got to do each thing separately. Do I? Is that even true? You know what? We're doing it as one. New edge. That one. Do both as one? Yes. Beautiful. Less steps. I'm going to start hiding sketches just so things are cleaner. Look how clean that looks. Wow. And then what's the last thing? We need to fillet the edge underneath. We got to fillet that. So this button, fillet. Entities to fillet, that guy and that guy. And our radius is 10. And check mark. There it is. We filleted that. We chamfered that. Is that everything in our drawing? Let's just double check. We did that. That's on that side. These are all the same. That is automatically there because of that. We did the chamfer. Yeah, we did it. We did it. We did it. Good work, team. Look at that. Let's hide some planes. We don't want to see those planes. Jeez Louise. We just want to see that part. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's change the color now. Edit appearance. Let's make it rusty pipe color. That doesn't look like rust. Rusty pipe color. Rusty pipe color. Beautiful. And now we're going to make a drawing sheet with section views, right? So plus sign, create drawing. I already have this one here, but it's millimeter NCA. So an NCA, Onshape drawing templates, millimeter. Make sure you're doing millimeter, right? Whoa, 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 whoa. Back. Make sure you're doing millimeter. Click OK. This is portrait mode. Does that make sense for our pipe? I don't know. You can choose landscape, portrait. I don't particularly care, right? Don't I? Do I? I don't know. That one view there. This view there. Click. I'm going to drag this one all the way over here because we're going to put our section view right there. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and then if you go up here, section view up top, click it, and now you actually draw the line point that is going to be sections. If I go like that to that, no, that's not right, to there, whoa. What kind of view is that going to give us? Yeah, that's not what I want. So you got to actually click on the section view line correctly. Do I have to do it like this way? I want this to slice through the inside. There. Whoa, whoa. Come on. Come on. If I click like, I want this to be horizontal. Oh, does it have to be like this? Yeah, yeah, there you go. Click. Section AA. With our cut line like that, that's down like that. Kind of want this facing, do I want that facing the other way? Doesn't matter. Section A there, and then they also have a section showing you the countersunkness of the holes. Can we do that too? I think I can. Broke out section, Brokeback Mountain. Create a profile. There to there. What did I just do? That's not right. Go back to our section. And it's a section. Now, how come this time now it's vertical and before I couldn't get it? Let's just do a section view through this. Whoa, that's showing you section view of the counter boreness. And that's curved, that's weird. Weird. Is that what I want? Yeah. It's not great. Detail view? Whoa. It's pretty sure I just want this. I don't know what this is. Whoa. Looks like a toilet. Try and get your section to have the sunkness. Click a few times. I don't want to spend too much time trying to get that right there. Throw in your dimensions, update your title block. Do have at least one section correct. Not exactly sure how they got that in the back. I don't think they drew this in Onshape. What does this one do? Break view? Break it. Break it. That's not right. Ooh. Whoa. Wait a darn second. Escape. Let's first of all delete these. I'm gonna try one more thing. Otherwise, go ahead and do what you need to do. It's definitely a broken out section. Modify an existing view by cutting away a closed profile of a defined depth. Sketch a oh. So if I do like a, that's why it's gonna be this silliness here. Depth of section to cut is like no, to there. Check. That didn't work. Oh yeah. Ho. Pro moves right there. Got it. First try. Broken. What's this one called? Broken out section. I clicked I just kind of traced around that line, obviously make it cleaner than what I did. I wanted to see if it worked, and it said the depth. I chose the center point of my point, so I'd get my countersunk bore. Look at that, look at that. That's beautiful. First try. Professional. Right, we're good. Good to go. Oh, no, we don't have a... that one. Yeah. Yeah. Right click, show shaded view. Rusty pipe. There it is. High tangent edges hidden. Yeah, high tangent edges, so it doesn't have these lines here. Oh, hide that on all of them. Hide, 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 hide. Tangent edges hidden. Yeah, yeah. Tangent edges hidden. Tangent edge hidden. That's that straight line meeting the curved line. This line right here. We don't want that. We don't want that. Hide that. All right. Dimension. Dimension. Yeah. Good work, team. Good luck. Have fun. Stopping recording. See you next year.